Okay, guys, so you guys know I love to share things with you guys and help you save coins and also just get rid of the rigmarole of trying to find things. It is 9:38. Yes, this is a video that I am currently recording to give to you right now, even though I'm on a setback where I am not doing any YouTube. I'm giving you all videos that I've previously recorded or videos that I hadn't gotten to you yet. So just so you know, but this is my voice and this is the 16th, okay, of July. Listen, I went to go get some groceries and I have been looking for the vegan ice cream by Breyers and by Haagen-Dazs. Can't never find it. Cannot never find it. Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Sprouts, Walmart, none of them never have it. So I seen this. They had chocolate, and they had vanilla. I was gonna get all three, which you know how that goes. It seems like when you don't get it, then you want it. But then when you get it, you're like, ew, nasty, gotta take it back. Because you know what, Aldi's, you can take stuff back. I've never seen this there. And I'm telling y'all right now, I've already ate some of it, but I had to do this video, so I had to close it up to show y'all the packaging. And it's made with almond milk, okay? It is made with almond milk. Let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you something. And it has the twice as nice guarantee. If you don't like it, you can take it back, okay? Yeah. So it's 3 servings in here, $2.10 per serving. And I wouldn't even eat this whole thing. I'll just kind of get my little spoon. I like to eat with these little IKEA spoons and just get a couple bites of it and go back upstairs, you know, or wherever I'm doing, whatever I'm doing, just to give me a teeny bit of sweet fix. Let me tell y'all something. This ice cream is so freaking creamy, tasty, and amazing. This fudge, oh my gosh, I could not let myself feel comfortable not sharing this with you guys. I couldn't feel comfortable. I went upstairs, I said, it was so good. And I had to come back down to dibble in it again. But I said, no, I must do a video review on this ice cream. This ice cream is freaking amazing and so freaking creamy. If you are not even vegan or anything, you're still gonna like this ice cream. If you cannot have the lactate and all that stuff in that nasty regular whole milk from the cows, you're gonna love this. You are going to love this. I'm sorry. This is so freaking good. And I'm not really a chocolate ice cream person. That's why I went with the mocha. But that fudge and that mocha mix, oh my gosh. Amazing. I had to come back just to share this. I had to come back, I'm sorry, just to share this because it is just that good. So tasty. If you like that mocha taste, that fudge taste, I'm just imagining making a milkshake with a little bit of almond milk to just make it where you can drink it. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to get the vanilla because I can cut up pineapple, strawberries, and stuff like that and eat that as a treat as well. I've been staying away from the sweets. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I don't know if I'm going to release this tonight or release it tomorrow. Some people might be asleep. I don't know. But whenever you get it, if you have any questions, leave them below. But your girl had to share this mocha fudge vegan ice cream, non-dairy, from Aldi's. And it was $2.49. Not bad. Cheaper than the pints from Haagen-Dazs and Ben & Jerry's and all those other ones. So still doing justice in the pockets. Because the Haagen-Dazs and the Ben & Jerry's are like $5, $6 for the little pint like that. So yeah, well, up here it is. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them below. And I will see you guys later. Gators.